carvings. Look at them.
They look almost alive.
We need to be careful.
I've never seen anything like this.
It must be centuries old.
Keep moving, the creaking is getting louder. Look at the colors. I've never seen anything like it. It's incredible. How did they preserve this?
The ice actually preserved the pigments.
It's incredible. We need to be extremely careful with this section.
I've never seen anything like this.
It's magnificent. Look at the ceiling.
How is this possible?
Look at that. It's magnificent.
We finally found it.
It's magnificent.
I've never seen anything like it.
We need to be careful moving forward. Incredible. Look at the light refractions.
We need to analyze this immediately. Be very careful with the debris.
Keep moving. The structure is stable here.
We're almost through to the main chamber.
It's breathtaking. A stunning mosaic of crystal and ice.
Truly a work of art, frozen in time.
Slowly now. This part is very fragile.
Incredible. The colors are still so vibrant after all this time.
Look at that. It's incredible.
I've never seen anything like it. Absolutely stunning. Look at how the light catches the facets.
It's like walking through a diamond mine.
Watch your step. The floor is slick here.
Be careful with the edges there. I think that's ivory.
Incredible. It's perfectly preserved. This is incredible. Do you see the detail? The fireplace is huge. We can finally warm this place up.
Look at this inscription. It confirms the dynasty.
Absolutely stunning. We need to document everything immediately.
We did it. It's truly a masterpiece.
I've never seen anything like it.
These velvets capture the frosty blue perfectly. What do you think about the placement here?
Yes, and the fur adds the necessary warmth against the marble.
Incredible. I've never seen anything like it.
The craftsmanship is stunning, even encased in ice.
It's breathtaking, the detail on these walls.
Absolutely stunning. This floor is glowing.
Look at that reflection. It's perfect.
The glacier floor really came together. This is stunning work. We need to ensure the fur aligns perfectly with the hearth. Make sure the velvet texture. I have to say, this might be our masterpiece.
It's breathtaking. Look at that finish.
I think the crystal vase should go here, centered on the marble.
Perfect. It catches the light beautifully.
Look at that shine. Incredible work, team.
It's stunning. We should be proud.
The sapphire pillows go here, next to the chaise.
Yes, they catch the light perfectly against the fur.
Look at that glow. It's finally complete.
It's beyond magical, isn't it? I've never seen anything like this.
It's breathtaking. Look at the detail on the ceiling.
Ensure the coating covers the entire surface.
Guide the panel carefully. Watch the floor.
Beneath the frost, a forgotten masterpiece awakens, revealing
It's absolutely breathtaking. The warm glow against the ice, it's perfect.
Be careful with the stitching right here. We need one more foxhide for this section.
The golden light really brings out the texture.
I can't believe we finished it.
It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen.
All that work was worth it.
It's stunning, truly a masterpiece.
All right, team, let's clear the area. The floor is complete.
Looks perfect.
the perfect escape for a winter night. where warmth meets serenity.
Make sure you get that edge perfectly smooth.
Almost there. The heated floor feels incredible right now.
I think we're finally done.
It looks absolutely stunning.
Yes.
The fire really brings it all together.
This fireplace is the heart of the home, just as we planned.
It's breathtaking. The team did an incredible job.
We certainly did.
We actually did it.
Look at the way the light hits the floor.
It's perfect.
Welcome, everyone, to the Arctic Luxury Mansion. We are so proud of what we built.
I can't believe it.
It's stunning. Look at the detail on these snowflakes.
I think we found it.
By the stars, look at the detail on that. It's magnificent.
We did it, guys. This ice blue finish is pure magic. Great job, everyone.
This section is perfect.
The reflection on the epoxy is stunning.
Careful with the edge there.
Yes, the light catches it perfectly now.
How does this look right here?
Perfect. It's beautiful.
Behold the grand staircase, a place.
Be careful with the frosty sheen on the carvings.
Yes, Director. We are using the precise chippers here.
We finally did it.
Look at how the firelight catches the carvings. It's magnificent.
A true masterpiece.
It's absolutely breathtaking.
The colors on the floor, it's exactly as planned.
A true masterpiece.
Look at the aurora through the chandeliers.
It's breathtaking. We did well.
It's finally done.
It looks absolutely stunning.
The fireplace really brings the warmth we needed. It's finally finished.
It's beautiful.
A true winter wonderland. We actually did it. It looks incredible.
The floors shimmer perfectly under the chandeliers.
It really is a frozen paradise. We are so glad you could make it. Please find a seat by the fire and let the warmth thaw you out.
The warmth and light truly bring the place alive, don't you think?
Yes, it is wonderful to see everyone so happy.
This place is absolutely magical.
I know, the fireplace is incredible.
I could stay here forever. I've never seen anything quite like this. It's so warm in here.
It truly is the perfect retreat.
The team's elegant winter retreat is now a true masterpiece of winter wonder.
Welcome to the pinnacle of winter luxury, where ice meets fire in a breathtaking
It's absolutely stunning. I can't believe we actually built this. It's like a dream. It's absolutely stunning.
We finally finished it. Look at the detail on that archway. A true masterpiece. We did it, gentlemen. It looks incredible.
A true masterpiece.
This is unbelievable. I've never seen anything like it.
The glowing floor, the ice walls, it's magical.
And the fireplace is incredible.